Hi, Peanut here, and then one's in a left way, and hi.
Cool. So we were about to get ready to go to bed, and then we decided to open up some of these cake pops and make a video for you guys. So you want to go ahead and pick one, Peanut? Which one are you going to pick?
I'm gonna pick.
Ooh, she's going to pick one of the white ones. All right. You got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Ooh, so we've never opened one of these before. I think they pop open. What did you get?
I got a similar.
Is it a cinnamon roll? Oh, how cute. What is that? Oh, it's like a little jewel. Let me see. Oh, that's so cool. Look, guys. It squishes and then it comes back together. Oh, it's so cute. It's brown and it's pink and it came with this cute little brown flower. Okay, you want to open another one? Which one? Do you want the purple one or the white one?
A purple one.
Ooh, purple. That's a good color. Can you get it? Ooh, and Owlette's just sitting there watching. Oh, what's it going to be?
I think so.
Oh, how cute is that? Oh, what is it? Oh, you're squishing it. That's so cute. It's this little blue puppy. Hi, guys. And what's this? What did it come with? Oh, it came with a little lollipop. Oh, do you want to feed it its lollipop?
Yeah.
Oh, give it its lollipop. That's so good. Okay, you want to see what our last and final one is?
Yeah.
Awesome. She's like a pro at it now. It's white with sprinkles on top. Oh, what is it? What did it come with? Oh, it came with a little lollipop, a little sucker. Oh, that one's cute. I think that one's my favorite. You squish it and it comes back. Oh, how cool. You want to show them?
Yeah.
Oh, how cute. What color is this one?
Purple and brown.
Oh, it is purple and brown. Oh, she's super cute.
Another one.
Yeah, well, I think that's all we got. Do you want to show them everything?
Yeah, I'm gonna do
Okay.
another one.
Okay. Look, show them everything that we got. And say, hope you guys have a good night.
Hope you guys have a good night.
Say bye.
Bye.
See you next time.
See you next time.